Okay, today we're going to make the best fig jam you have ever tasted. First of all, we take a package of dry figs. Let's open them on this plate, and then we're going to take off the stems one by one, and there they are, all stemmed. Next thing, we need to wash them. Then we take a small saucepan, put the figs in, and put in 2 cups of water. Now we are ready for the secret ingredient. What we need to do is use monk fruit sweetener with erythritol. If you use a sweetener, either xylitol or erythritol by itself, those can upset your stomach because they're all fiber. If you use just monk fruit, that is a powder that does not have much substance to it, and it is not going to thicken whatever you are making a jam with. So we take 1/3 of a cup of Lancato and put it in there and turn it on and bring it to boil, and when it boils we turn it back and we let it simmer slowly. It may take up to an hour for the water to be evaporated, and it should look about like this. And when you taste this fig, you're not going to be able to stop eating it.